How can we study local habitats? There are habitats all around you: parks, gardens, school grounds. And inside those are tiny homes called microhabitats. Let's become scientists and explore what's living right outside your door. A habitat is where a living thing lives and gets everything it needs: food, water, shelter, and space. A microhabitat is a small part of a bigger habitat, like the space under a rock, a pile of leaves, or a tree trunk. Each microhabitat has different conditions. Some are damp and dark, others are sunny and dry, and different creatures live in each one. Common tools scientists use include pooters to collect insects safely, magnifying glasses, bug pots, and classification keys. These help you observe and identify the living things you find. You might discover woodlice under a log, ants on a path, spiders in a bush, or even pond snails in a school pond. Can you group them into vertebrates and invertebrates? What features help you decide? Try this. Visit a local green space with a notebook. Choose a microhabitat and record what you find. What's the temperature like? What's living there? Can you classify it? Learn more in our Key Stage 2, Living Things and Our Habitats playlist. And for even more resources, visit advisoryscience.com and explore our interactive Key Stage 2 science booklets, workbooks and lesson kits.